Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on how you can perform configuration on your Hydro-Air C38. Let's get started. First off, press mode once and you'll be at the main menu. And from this list, we're able to tell that the C38 have one current output with two relays. The 4 to 20 mA output setting allows you to configure the scale for the 4 to 20 mA current output. It comes together with an offset function to enable soft tweaking. Relay A and Relay B is very straightforward. Basically, you just have to set if you like to turn them on or off by enabling it or disabling it. Run and off basically means to energize and de-energize the relay respectively. So let's take this as a situation. When the measurement exceeds 1000 microsiemens, the relay will be energized. And when the reading has dropped below 400 microsiemens, the relay will be de-energized. Same goes for relay B. The measurement page allows you to set the mode that you like to measure, either it's in conductivity, TDS, or resistivity. Once you have pressed enter, you'll be able to select the range of measurement that you like. Okay. So at the temperature setting, you are able to select the type of temperature compensation that you prefer, either it's automatic or manual. Normally, conductivity sensor comes together with a temperature probe, so you would like to turn this into auto. And there are probe type that you can choose from: NTC30K and PT1000. There's an offset as well for soft tweaking, and a manual temperature input. The RS485 setting allows you to assign the ID address for the C38. The baud rate, however, is fixed at 9600. The simulator is a very useful tool when it comes to testing, commissioning, or troubleshooting. Basically, the simulator allows you to simulate outputs. Say for instance, if I would like to test if the controller can inject 6 mA, all I have to do is to adjust the value and press enter once. And as for now, it is injecting 6 mA through the current output. As for relay A, you can manually turn them on or off. So that is about it for the C38. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.